How to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and click on Settings. In Settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On the left side, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down in here and you'll find these options. Click on Security. After Security expands, if your blue dot is in Standard Protection or Enhanced Protection, make sure it's in No Protection to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. Press on Turn Off and it will be disabled. This is how to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.